What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today we are looking into Xsense wireless interconnected smoke alarm detectors. Confirm the safety regulation EN 14604 standard, and you can interconnect up to 24 wireless alarms together. Can go in your house if you want to, or in a commercial property. Come with a small size and incredible performance. 85 decibel of alarm sound, low battery and malfunctional warning as well, and the battery which lasts you up to 5 years to replace. Sensitive and intelligent design, a built-in sensitive photoelectric sensor responds in 1 second, help you to reduce any kind of a false alarm as well. Come with the features like a fire resistance ABS material as well as a dust proofing, up till 5 years of warranty. We're going to check this all its features within this video as well, but if you wanted to know more in detail what are the standards, what are the sensor and stuff like that, or what temperature range this smoke detector can work into, you can check the link in the video description as well, explaining to you each and everything within it. Let's not waste too much of time and quickly see what is included in the packaging, following with the demonstration where I'm going to show you how you can link them all wirelessly together and performance as well. So by the end of this video, you never know, this is the smoke alarm you wanted to install in your home. Let's go ahead with a very quick unboxing, where within the packaging you get one user manual explaining to you how to install and how to use this smoke alarm, one Xsense warranty card, couple of screws and studs to mount this smoke alarm on ceiling or a wall if you want to. Now in last but not least, SX01 WR smoke detector, which from the design looks solid and the build quality very sturdy and totally unique if compared with the traditional smoke alarms we have, smaller in size as well. Where in the front of smoke alarm we have a buzzer, on a side to side smoke detection vents. Come with a multifunctional button, help you test, mute and so many more things. We will look into them all in the video. Smoke alarm takes CR123A 3-volt lithium battery. And to activate the smoke alarm, simply remove this cap right in here and pull this to take the battery out if you want to. Now on test button you also have a red status indicator light. By pressing it once you can activate the test. While when it's a single unit, it acts like a standard smoke alarm detector, simple as that. But the main reason I purchased this one is to have an interlinked connectivity. Well, I'm living in a UK and I've got a 3-story house. So unfortunately, if the fire is on the top floor, you can't be able to hear in your basement. So technically having the system like that would help you to do it all. The range is about 250 meters on each one of those smoke detectors. So you can cover sufficient amount for sure. Now, whenever we talk about the wireless connectivity on small devices, we always find it's not going to work, but not in these kind of a smoke detector case. It's very easy, straightforward to go for, and all the instructions are also available in the user manual, but you don't need to look into it. I will show you each and everything about it. Now, first thing you gotta do is take the battery off every single smoke detector. Now select the number 1, which is this one. I'm got it in my hand. You need to click onto this test button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear the beep. It's ready to get wirelessly connected with another one. Simply do it like that. Again to the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, it's connected. Now if you would like to connect to another one, which is the last one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 3 steps which we did to connect them all together, it's all worked. Now if you would like to test the individual one, you just need to press the test button, simple as that. But if you wanted to do complete test on all smoke alarms, you need to simply press and hold this test button for 5 seconds. There you go. That's how easy, simple, straightforward it is actually. Now think about all these smoke alarms on different floors and you are fully protected if in case of any unfortunate smoke. Now if you wanted to understand what is the meaning of the LED status indicator light and audible alarm as well, all the information about it are available within the user manual explaining to you when you're short of battery life, what alarm you would be expecting. Everything is well categorized, well structured within the user manual too. Let's go ahead and do a smoke alarm test. For the purpose of test, I am leaving smoke alarm on multiple locations within my house. Now this one is on the upstairs, actually in the lobby. So here's another one in the living room, and the third one which is going to be in a kitchen where we're going to perform the test. Well, just to remember one more thing, that you cannot install this smoke detector on dead air spots like corners or the really top edge of your house. Actually, it won't gonna work, or it's not going to work like that as well, kind of sometime. You have to make sure it's facing this way. Okay, now let's do a performance test. Here you go. Smoke is detected on one of them. Notification is here. Same is on the top as well. Okay. Press the test button on the top one. It's reset. But where the smoke is actually in the kitchen, it's not been reset, and that is how it's going to work as well. Kind of a pretty good system, to be honest with you. Well, smoke detectors seems to be working from the point of detecting the smoke in your kitchen, wireless connectivity, which is a doorbell. Any grandma can do it as well, and at the same time you can know where the smoke is coming from as well. Very simple and straightforward. I bought them in a package of 3, but you can buy them individually or in a pack of 3. Altogether they can connect up to 24 of them. That's not the problem. Going to cover a huge amount of space within your house or in a commercial place if you're thinking of installing as well. Battery life is fantastic, lasts you up to 5 years, no problem whatsoever. It's taking only one battery cell, not like other ones which takes about triple AAA batteries or 6 AAA batteries. If you look into the Nest ones, they are horrible, to be honest with you. I have got them and I am getting rid of them because we have got these ones with us now. Now let me go ahead and install them physically right where I want them in my house. And if you wanted to know anything about them in the future, let me know in the comment section down below. And thinking of purchasing this product, link for that is also available in the video description. Now that would be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye.